We all love the arrival of a new gadget. Something that will make life more convenient and entertaining for yourself, or help you out with a clever gift idea for a family or friend. That's why we've put together some of the most interesting and innovative bits of tech out there right now in our list of the coolest new gadgets we think you'll love. Welcome back to our channel. As always, if you like our videos, make sure to support us by clicking the subscribe button, liking the video and leaving a comment down below. Let's dive right into it. Number 1. SRS NB10 Wireless Neckband Speaker. What if putting on music didn't have to mean shutting yourself off from the world? Sony's new neckband speaker gives your ears a rest and sits on your shoulders, firing your audio towards your ears in a focused beam. There's a built-in microphone and Bluetooth connectivity, which means you can take calls or listen to music up to 30 meters away from your computer. No more excusing yourself from a meeting to make a cup of tea. You also needn't worry about disturbing your partners or housemates, as Sony claims the upward angle of the full-range speaker optimizes sound for your ears only. Though we'd have to test that one for ourselves to believe it. Weighing only 113 grams, the neckband is light and comfortable. Take your pick from charcoal grey or pristine white. Can we see it in rose gold? Number 2. FlexSound Pulse. The new FlexSound Pulse chair brings a whole new sense to your cinema experience. Touch. The latest horror movie could literally shake you to the core, while the orchestral opening of the next Marvel film will make the hairs stand up in your neck. Instead of a loudspeaker blaring a film's audio at you, the Pulse uses speakers built into the chair to deliver sound that you can feel. The system offers all the intense sound you'd expect in a cinema. Except now, you can also feel frequencies of up to 1000 Hz on your skin. Currently, the chair concept is only available for cinemas, but it's ready to be licensed to a furniture manufacturer willing to put their body where the sound is. FlexSound even mentions a future with car brands, creating personal sound zones for every passenger or making quiet electric vehicles sound like they have 8-cylinder engines. Number 3. Meeting Owl Pro. As the world continues to work remotely and online meetings become a part of everyday life, the tech has stepped up to make the process more efficient and immersive, with the Meeting Owl Pro being a great example of that. Fitted with a 360-degree camera, 8 microphones, and a speaker, it aims to replicate an in-person meeting while separated from colleagues. With an 18-foot audio pickup radius and an automatic zoom that responds to who is talking at the time, it's a sophisticated bit of kit that integrates with Zoom, Slack, Google Hangouts, and more. Number 4. Fujifilm Instax Mini Mobile Photo Printer. Print photos and video stills directly from your smartphone with this handy instant printer from Fujifilm. Connecting wirelessly to your device, available in iOS and Android, it takes around 12 seconds to print each photo, with a full charge allowing you to print off 100 continuous shots. There are a handful of extra features, including Party Mode, which can combine images from several phones to create mystery prints, with the options to create a collage or insert an image into one of 27 styles of frame. Number 5. Dyson Purifier Hot and Cool Formaldehyde. While many of us know air pollution harms our health, we may have overlooked what's happening inside our homes. It turns out that cooking and cleaning are filling our homes with pollutants at higher concentrations than those outside. Even our furniture is off-gassing formaldehyde, a chemical used in its production. So what can you do? Well, you could just reject society and retreat to the woods. We've considered it a few times this year. But if that's not an option, you may want to consider an air purifier. The latest version of Dyson's Purifier Hot and Cool is kitted out with filters to tackle the particles invading our home's air, including formaldehyde. It also has loads of sensors to provide insight into what's generating the most pollution. Cooking, in our case, makes the air quality severe, and it doubles as an effective fan or heater. And that pretty much covers our list of the coolest gadgets we think you should definitely consider getting your hands on. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.